Hi, today I'm going to show you some features in our new EBSCO interface, our new pirate search, that might help you access the information in articles a little bit easier. One of the features I'd like to show you today is how EBSCO will now read the article to you. So you can listen as you read or listen as you do something else. You can download an MP4 to listen on the go. It is a great feature, and there's a couple more that I'll show you as well. Let's begin by doing a basic search. I'm going to search for environmental justice. That's been something I'm looking into. I'm going to select full text and peer reviewed because those are the items I'm looking for today, and I'm going to search. As the page loads, you'll notice it's totally different, a completely new interface. But we have with that some new features that are really great. So here I'm going to show you we have, instead of an HTML full text and PDF full text link, we now have a drop-down menu where we can select either online full text or PDF. I'm going to select online full text today. And here, I see this icon that has little headphones, and it says listen. And when I click that, you'll notice that there's a large play button. You can also fast forward a little bit or go back if you've already started. All of these sort of control how you listen. The voice is definitely a robot. However, if it helps you understand the article or helps you maybe utilize your time really wisely, I hope it's worth it. I'll just play a little bit so you can hear it.
Section, Special Issue Articles, Environmental Injustice and the Forgotten Community. A case study of the largest e-waste dump site in Nigeria. Digitalization worldwide has created a surge of e-waste, and a considerable amount of it is shipped from developed to
So notice that you also see highlighted text as it moves through. So this is something you can turn on and off depending on if you're interested in it or not. You can also change the colors of the highlight and the colors of the words. So hopefully this will improve your reading experience if it's something you're interested in utilizing. Hope that helps.